Hi YouTube, it's On the Lot Journey. Today I'm coming to you with a quick video. Today's video is not going to be a tutorial, it's not going to be a lock chat or advice. It's going to be an answer to a question that I got from a friend. So I just came back from vacation. I let my friend know, hey, I went snorkeling and kayaking, and her first response was,
well, you got your locks wet?
And I was like, of course. And so I'm going to show the video because you can show better than you can tell, and I will get back to you later. Went into the ocean a lot because I love salt water, and I didn't unravel those twists until today. So I've had those twists in for 2 weeks, and I was able to style those twists. Now I have a twist out. Let's do an up close texture shot for you all. I followed a tutorial from Spiffy Gal. I'll put the link down below, and this is the result of those twists. So for the longest time, I haven't done a twist out. It used to be my favorite style when I was a newbie locker, and I hadn't done that style in a few years because I hadn't figured out how to do the twist. And Spiffy Gal said, if your twists are unraveling, then twist them together in the opposite direction. It was such simple advice, but actually was really helpful and useful for me maintaining those twists, and actually last through the whole cruise, including going in and out of water. And so yes, when I'm on vacation, I do let my locks get wet. I will see you all on the tubes of you very soon.